Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a primer video. If you guys ever wondered, are primers necessary? I'm going to do a very close-up of my favorite primers and show you different parts of my skin. Did it help? Does it not help? This video is for you girls that have very large pores. Like I have very large pores all over my skin. These are my top primers. It would be the Porefessionals. It would be the Revlon Photo Ready, obviously. Look at that. And then the Milk Primer. I was actually a little shocked that one of these were my favorite after comparing and doing a very close up. You guys will see all the nitty gritty pores on my face and whether these actually filled in my pores or not. Did my foundation look better? Do they work? I don't know. If you're wondering, stay tuned. We're going to get right to that video. But in the meantime, can you please hit that like button, give me a thumbs up on this video, and let's get to that tutorial right now. Okay guys, so I got a super close shot of my pores. You see how large my pores are on my skin? I'm just going to go ahead, you can see I'm shiny, so I'm just going to take my Scott one-ply toilet paper and kind of wipe it down to take any excess oil off my face. But look, you guys can still see how large my pores are. So I'm just going to we're going to start with the Milk Primer. I'm going to take one line and show you guys. Okay, so let's get the best picture here. All the pores. Now watch this. Do you see how from this to that it went filled in? So let's just concentrate right here. Watch this. Do you notice it as much? So you just kind of glide this on the skin and look, they went smaller. Now let's go with the Porefessionals on this side. Professional on my finger. Do you see the pores anymore? No, they kind of just disappeared. Kind of rub it in and look at this. You see how they're just filled in? Let's go to the Revlon. You guys see all these pores. I put a tad bit too much. Kind of just melt this into the skin. Now I'm not rubbing really hard. I'm kind of like gliding my finger and patting. And do you see the pores? Guys, I'm pulling the camera out a little bit. Now, do you see the big difference? Look at my nose. My nose is like mattified. Actually, all sides are mattified. My nose is mattified. The Porefessional and the Milk are mattified as well. But if I'm going close, let's just zoom in very slowly. Okay, so I honestly think that the Milk, you can still see a little bit of my pores. I think the Porefessional is freaking fantastic. The Revlon is awesome. Now the Revlon, if I'm looking in the mirror, actually dries down to almost like a powdery finish when you zoom in. Almost like a little powdery finish, which might be good for foundations to glide on better. This Porefessionals, this Porefessionals looks amazing. So if I'm looking in the mirror here, guys, like I thought that I actually loved the Milk, but I don't think I like it as much as I thought I did, because I'm comparing the sides here and this is completely 100% smooth and filled in, and my nose for the Porefessionals 100% filled in. The Revlon looks fantastic, but then the Milk, which I thought all this time it was filling in my pores, it's not filling them in quite as much as the Revlon or the Porefessionals. So I hope that this little makeup tip helps you guys. If you have really large pores like me and you want your skin to look flawless, I would totally recommend the Porefessionals or the Revlon Photo Ready. Obviously, you guys see how much I love that. I do like, personally, the Revlon Photo Ready a lot because it does leave like this light layer of powder almost on your skin. But then again, the Porefessionals is amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it clarified a lot of things about different primers and is it really pore filling or not. If you guys did like this video, please push that thumbs up button down below, that tiny little subscribe button, bell, whatever it is right there by the subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.